Blessings, ladies. Today, let's learn how to create your own braided wig at home and discover the amazing benefits that come with it. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy step-by-step guides on how to make your own, yes, ladies, your own braided wig that suits your style and your preference. Having a braided wig can be a game changer for those who want to add some extra glamour to their look, or if for some reason you're suffering from alopecia, hair loss, or some hair thinning, man, I'm telling you, a braided wig can be the perfect solution. Look how she is creating these box braids. She is making sure that they are the same size. Look how beautiful that these came out. This wig is absolutely gorgeous, and in this video I'm showing you step by step how to start from the closure to the end of the process. Yes, creating a braided wig from scratch offers endless possibilities, from customizing and allowing you to choose your favorite braiding style, your favorite color, and the length that you want. Yes, ladies, you can make these braided wigs to any style, length, and color of your desire. This not only ensures a perfect fit, but it also lets you express your personal style, your personal look. And with the braided wig, maintenance becomes a breeze, as it doesn't require daily styling like your natural hair does. Ladies, believe me, this can be a win-win. Look how beautiful this wig came out. Look how full it is from the top to the bottom. Look at the different colors that you can create them in. Again, braided wigs are the truth. Many of us have faced the struggle of finding the perfect wig. Sometimes it just doesn't fit right. Either it's just too tight or too loose, or it just doesn't match your head shape. Other times, it's the style. You might find that the wig you love, it just doesn't meet your standards. If you're looking for a certain color or a certain length, but with making your own wig, ladies, you can do all that yourself. You can choose the wig of your desire. You can choose the size of the braids that you want. You can decide whether you want them to be cornrows or single braids. If you want them to be boho braids, I mean, they just come in so many different ways that you can style them and that you can make them. So if you have not tried a braided wig, I suggest you try one today and try making it yourself. It may look difficult. It may seem like it's such a long, hard process, but believe me, practice makes perfect. And the more you do it, the easier it becomes. The more you do it, the faster you become. The more you do it, the more styles that you'll be able to create. And as you continue to go along, you'll see that you save money. Yes, because these braided wigs can get to be very expensive, especially if you want to try to get a human hair one. So if you want to save money, if you want to make your own styles, if you want to make the wig fit your own personal preference, try making them yourself. This challenges can make you make a wig to your own satisfaction. So again, continue to keep watching to the end, and you'll see this, how she starts off with making a cornrow. Yes, cornrow braided wigs are very beneficial and super beautiful in the end. And in this video and tutorial, she's going to show you just how to do that. It's not as hard as it looks, ladies. Continue to keep watching and see how this cornrow braid is completed. So I'm encouraging you to start your own braided wig. Try it